What up, guys? It's your boy Carlo. I'm just gonna be doing a quick video on what Wealthfront is. It is the largest, fastest automated investment service. It automatically invests and rebalances your money in index portfolios without the high minimums to start, and you only need $500 to start. Only 500, not a couple thousand, only 500. And it doesn't charge you any high fees, and it automatically monitors your portfolio every single day versus a financial advisor, which definitely charges you higher fees. And it also invests automatically in reinvest your dividends. So when you join Wealthfront, basically it'll ask you a couple of questions, and it's to assess one, your emotional risk tolerance, and two, your objective financial situation. And basically it creates a portfolio in a different asset allocation for you. Again, it charges no commission to invest your money. So that means more money in your pocket, no fees for anything under $10,000. And anything over $10,000, they'll charge you a 0.25 annual fee. So definitely low expense. And for the investments that they do offer, they different offer different at 11 different asset classes, so you will definitely be well diversified. And these ETFs are low expense, lowest drift, and the best execution. So basically the people behind Wealthfront, they definitely know what they're doing. It's inexpensive, and it's definitely a passive solution for everyone trying to invest their money. So if you have any questions, definitely leave a comment below. Subscribe to my channel. And if you sign under my link, I'll have it posted down in the description. You'll get an additional 5K, an additional $5,000 managed for free. So hopefully you guys like this video. I definitely will be making more videos. I backed this up 100%. And yeah, hopefully you liked it. Take care.